friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you this Al Rawabi is the brand name mozzarella cheese. Special offer was there and it's the shredded mozzarella cheese and the pack size is 500 gram and these are most common for pizzas. You can add to your egg and more other things, but it is famous for pizzas. So all the nutritional information is mentioned over here and all the ingredients are mentioned over here and where it is manufactured. It is produced in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So the mozzarella cheese is amazing. I just personally loves it. So we need to cut it from here, from top, and then I believe the pack will be sealed type pack. You just need to pull it out like this. So here is the cheese. This is how it looks like and you need to put it on your pizza or your eggs or something like that, and then it will melt and it will be very cheesy. So friends, it is amazing cheese. I have tried it many a time in my life and it tastes really good. I'm just now I had one piece of it and amazing, man. No need to melt also. It's tasting very good. And very good about this pack is you can seal this pack again and airtight it. It will not spread anywhere. It will be in this pack again. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you.